Hello, we're talking about mindful meditation with your pet. Basically, you can use your pet as a tool and as a partner in your meditation. Maybe you want to just take a moment if you've got a dog or a cat, pause the video, go get them, get in a comfortable chair like this. Or if it's a bigger dog, maybe you want to sit on your couch and just join us back. Hope you're back. And with mindfulness, one of the things we can use is our five senses: sight, hearing, taste, touch, smell. Well, you can do virtually anything mindfully, right? And then you can turn that into a meditation. Well, I have Toby here. Toby's my dog. He's a Chihuahua. He's a good lap dog. But how can we use him in a mindful way? Well, you can do that when you're petting him. Just let's start this off with a few deep breaths. Okay, breathe in deeply through your nose, hold, and exhale through your mouth. Breathe in and exhale. One more deep breath and exhale. Let's breathe in normally, in and out through your nose. Okay, so one thing you can do is obviously petting your animal, your dog or your cat. And petting has been shown to produce calmness and to promote relaxation. And that's exactly what we do with meditation too. And one of the things we want to do with meditation is become more calm, peaceful, centered. And our pets can help us with that. Toby likes to be petted. He likes to sit in my lap. You can take a moment and look at your dog. Just notice what your dog looks like, his reactions. Notice the texture of his fur. So we're incorporating two of our senses right here. I'm feeling Toby's fur. It's a little coarse and wiry. It's not super soft. I'm noticing Toby. He's got beautiful blonde fur. He's a little nervous. As you can probably tell, Chihuahuas tend to be. Toby, see if I can get him to look at me. Toby, you're a good dog. And besides being mindful, just as you're interacting with your dog, because as you pet them and you are watching them, looking at them, you take time to intentionally focus your senses and be present with your pet. So it's just being more intentional with it. He likes to be petted. Might even give me a smooch. Oh, he did. He licked my hand. I could feel the wetness of his tongue on me. He's still licking me. Just being mindful of that. And then, of course, besides being mindful with your pet, the touch, the texture, the sight, the you can look at the feelings too. Like the feelings you have for your pet, the love and the warmth. Just allow yourself to feel that. Just pet your dog for a moment and close your eyes and pet them. Think about how you feel about your dog. Allow yourself to just relax and be more at peace. Be calm. You can open your eyes. Besides being mindful with your pet is when you have like more formal meditations, you can meditate with your pet. If you're meditating in an easy chair like this, or if you're comfortable meditating and bringing your dog in your bed with you, or sitting on the floor meditating. And the dog or the cat would probably enjoy the meditation music. Animals tend to be soothed by the same kind of music that we do. And I'll play just a moment of meditation music. This is one that I had put together, music and environmental sounds. And I'll give you a playlist later. But let's see if he likes the music. You notice it went on. I'll just close my eyes for a minute and listen to the music. Keep petting Toby. Might lean back a little bit. Just help your dog or cat to feel more comfortable and at ease. Just sort of enhances the meditation experience sometimes to be with a pet. I meditated a number of times with Toby. I don't do it all the time, but sometimes it's kind of nice to sit out here. I'll put my feet up. I'll meditate with Toby. They're good meditation partners. I mean, in a sense, dogs are always resting and relaxing. They're always kind of in a sort of instinctual meditative state. They tend to always be calming themselves down. So they're an excellent partner for your meditation. They're an excellent tool to use in your mindfulness practice. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.